Hello everybody, this is Christian and Connor too here. I'm Christian, this is Connor. Today we're going to be, if you don't remember, probably almost a year ago now, we did the Dinosaur egg sing. And,
the robot thing.
Oh yeah, robot, no. And now we're going to be doing a dinosaur. I'm hoping this looks easier, because it looks easier, it already looks cracked, so hopefully we're not going to have to take out the hammer again. Yeah, so let's unbox this thing.
It's 6 and up, but I'm 7 and he's 10. Yay!
So let's unbox this thing.
Wow, this
Huge thing here. We have hammer and the two stuff that's still getting lighter. So yeah, so let's start doing this thing. Yay! Luckily, I don't have to do this. My parents can clean it up. Wait. Yeah! See, look how easy it is compared to the last one.
I don't think so.
What? Okay, so let's show what we have. Okay, all this mess up. Okay, so we have Triceratops. I hope that's right. Then this is a pterodactyl. It flies. Okay, it did fly. That was just a falling figure.
It's a bone.
Yeah, oh, it's a bone.
Then we have
wait, or is this the Triceratops? I'm so mad at this.
But we haven't done one of those.
Okay, this is some.
That is a Triceratops.
I'll just make names. So just to say, I do not know what these types of dinosaurs are, so I'm gonna make up names. This one's name is Bob Triceratops. This one's name is George. This one's name is Paul. This one's name is John. This one's name is Joe.
Oh, Joe. Okay. Okay, let's just wipe them off.
And I think the only one they actually know the real name of is Triceratops. And I feel
this.
What's a Triceratops? What? Oh, sorry, pterodactyl and Triceratops that. And the rest?
Told you.
Bob, Joe, and George. There you go. That's simple enough. Don't listen to me if you're taking the test of dinosaurs. Do not listen to me.
Okay, that's it.
Then, I guess this is a lot of cleaning up to do.
Yeah.
And you're going to wash your hands now. And see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, this is Christian. This is behind the scenes after the aftermath of our video that you probably saw. It's very dusty if you don't see. Or there's nothing bad in the garbage bag, you can't see. It could be the pit of doom. So yeah. Here's a look at the dinosaurs we got. Yep. And this is when we took to open the box behind the scenes again. So yeah, that was just a quick behind the scenes look of some of our videos. See you guys later and bye!
Don't forget to subscribe.
That's my dad. Probably heard his voice, probably never saw what he looks like. Bye!